Welcome back to Tech Vibes, where we fix your tech issues step by step using real devices. Today we're working on a Vizio TV that has a blurry picture or soft image quality. The goal is to make the Vizio TV picture sharp, clear, and detailed again. First, make sure the Vizio TV is powered on and showing any image or channel. Take a close look at the screen to confirm the Vizio TV picture really looks blurry. Sometimes blur comes from a loose cable, so let's check the HDMI cable on the Vizio TV. Go behind the Vizio TV and gently remove the HDMI cable from the HDMI input port. Inspect the HDMI cable end to make sure it's not bent or damaged. Now reinsert the HDMI cable firmly back into the HDMI port on the Vizio TV. Also check the HDMI cable connection on the other device connected to the Vizio TV. Return to the screen and see if the Vizio TV picture sharpness improved. If the Vizio TV is still blurry, pick up the Vizio TV remote and press the menu button. On the Vizio TV screen, navigate to the picture settings. Inside picture settings, select picture mode on the Vizio TV. Change the picture mode on the Vizio TV to standard or calibrated. Avoid modes like game or eco if the Vizio TV picture looks soft. Now scroll down to the sharpness control on the Vizio TV. If the sharpness on the Vizio TV is set too high, reduce it to around 10 to 20. If the sharpness on the Vizio TV is too low, slowly increase it while watching the screen detail. Look at text or edges in the Vizio TV picture to judge clarity. Next, scroll to color temperature on the Vizio TV. Set color temperature on the Vizio TV to normal or warm for natural clarity. Now check the reduce noise setting on the Vizio TV. If noise reduction is set high on the Vizio TV, turn it off or set it to low. Excess noise reduction can cause blur on the Vizio TV screen. Now exit the picture menu and watch the Vizio TV screen again. If the Vizio TV picture is still blurry, check the resolution source. Look at the device connected to the Vizio TV, such as a streaming box or console. Make sure that device is outputting 1080p or 4K to the Vizio TV. On that device, go to its display or resolution settings. Select 1080p or 4K based on your Vizio TV's capability. Now return to the Vizio TV and see if the picture is sharper. If using a cable box, press the info button on the Vizio TV remote. Confirm the Vizio TV resolution being received is correct. If the Vizio TV says 480p, that will look blurry. Change the cable box output resolution to 1080p for best clarity on the Vizio TV. Now let's verify the firmware on the Vizio TV. Press menu on the Vizio TV remote again. Go to System on the Vizio TV. Select Check for updates on the Vizio TV. If the Vizio TV finds a firmware update, allow it to download and install. Firmware updates can improve Vizio TV picture processing. After update, allow the Vizio TV to restart fully. When the Vizio TV powers back on, test picture clarity again. If the Vizio TV still looks blurry, let's reset picture settings. Go to picture settings again on the Vizio TV. Scroll down to reset picture mode on the Vizio TV. Select reset and confirm the reset on the Vizio TV. This restores default sharpness and clarity levels. Now watch any scene with detailed textures on the Vizio TV. The Vizio TV picture should now look clearer and sharper overall. If blur only happens when streaming, test a different streaming app on the Vizio TV. Some apps lower quality when internet speed is slow on the Vizio TV. If using Wi-Fi, move the router closer to the Vizio TV or use Ethernet. A stronger connection will help the Vizio TV stream in HD or 4K. Finally, wipe the Vizio TV screen using a dry microfiber cloth. Gently clean the surface of the Vizio TV to remove smudges that look like blur. Never spray liquid directly onto the Vizio TV screen. Now enjoy your Vizio TV with a crystal clear, sharp picture. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more repairs.